today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PolyBuzz app. All you have to do in the first, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, so into your found apps, click on it. You come to apps list, indeed you're looking for PolyBuzz app, or just click on search. Add here PolyBuzz, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to apps here. Then you click on for stop. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, click on storage. Come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store. Click on it here. You search here for PolyBuzz. It's going to show for you like this. You will find update here. Click on it and it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.